In this short and basic video, today I will show you how to create bullet points in Microsoft Excel. So there is no default method to insert bullet points like Microsoft Word, but you can try this method, this trick, like you want to create bullet points here. So firstly, select your cell, press Alt plus 7 on your number keypad. So you can insert this bullet point. Alt plus 7. And another method, insert and symbol, and in font you have to select this normal text, and subset you have to select this one. And here guys, you will see this bullet points. So select this bullet point and insert. Now close it. Now copy it. Now type your text here. Now Control V and double click on it. Control V to paste this bullet point and type your text like this. So this is the method to insert bullet points in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment on this method work for you or not.